Essential skills for data scientists. Welcome to our video on the key skills every aspiring data scientist should possess. We'll explore the multidisciplinary field of data science and the skills required to excel in this exciting field. Data science is the art and science of extracting meaningful insights from data to drive informed decision-making. It combines statistics, programming, and domain expertise to uncover hidden patterns and trends in large and complex data sets. Statistics, programming, domain expertise. Proficiency in programming languages such as Python, R, or SQL is essential for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization tasks. Having a strong foundation in programming enables efficient data cleaning, pre-processing, and analysis. Data cleaning, pre-processing, analysis. Data scientists need a solid understanding of statistical concepts and techniques, including probability theory, hypothesis testing, regression analysis, and data visualization. Statistical knowledge is essential for making data-driven decisions and validating the accuracy and reliability of models. To excel in data science, domain expertise in the field you're working in is crucial. Understanding the unique challenges, data sources, and business context of your industry allows you to ask the right questions, identify relevant variables, and develop tailored models. Data wrangling involves cleaning, transforming, preparing raw data. Effective data wrangling ensures that the data you're working with is accurate, complete, and ready for analysis. Machine learning involves using algorithms and statistical techniques to train models that can make predictions or identify patterns in data. Familiarity with machine learning techniques such as supervised and unsupervised learning decision trees clustering data scientists need to be effective communicators, explaining complex concepts to non-technical stakeholders, interpreting data visualizations, presenting findings in a clear and compelling manner. Strong communication skills are essential for conveying the value and impact of data-driven insights to your team and organization. To summarize, data science is a multidisciplinary field that requires proficiency in programming, statistical knowledge, domain expertise, data wrangling, machine learning, and communication skills. Visit our website for more information on data science and related topics.